When we talk about building products that truly matter, it's not just about adding new features or making them look cooler. The real challenge lies in making them better, more affordable, and ensuring that the customer experience is something people genuinely enjoy. That philosophy is about to be tested in the boldest way yet with the introduction of Tesla's most important vehicle to date, the Model 2. This car is shaping up to be more than just another addition to Tesla's lineup. It could fundamentally transform the company's trajectory, potentially becoming not only its best-selling car of all time, but also the core product that sustains Tesla's profits throughout the next decade, at least until the company eventually rolls out something even cheaper. Now, it's worth pointing out right from the start, the Model 2 isn't going to offer everything you'd expect from Tesla's more premium cars like the Model 3 or Model Y. It's not meant to, and honestly, that's completely fair. The real story here isn't about cutting-edge luxury or flashy extras. It's about affordability and accessibility. With a base price of just $15,990, this vehicle is set to break barriers in a way no Tesla has before. Even more exciting is the fact that we don't have to wait until 2026 to see it. The Model 2 is officially scheduled to be unveiled at the end of November this year, at what is shaping up to be Tesla's biggest event of the year. The timing of this launch couldn't be more critical. Tesla is entering one of the most intense and defining periods in its history. Just 3 years ago, the company was on top of the EV world, almost untouchable, riding high on the runaway success of the Model 3 and Model Y. These vehicles dominated sales charts, giving Tesla a massive share of the global electric car market. But by 2025, the story has shifted dramatically. Competitors, most notably Chinese giant BYD, have been chipping away at Tesla's dominance. BYD in particular has been flooding the market with ultra-affordable EVs, some starting at prices as low as $9,000, and this strategy has been drawing in hundreds of thousands of buyers across the globe. This new competitive landscape has put Tesla under enormous pressure. For the first 2 quarters of this year alone, profits have dropped significantly. Investors are nervous. Customers are questioning whether Tesla is still the clear innovation leader it once was. Elon Musk himself has been carrying much of this weight, facing increasing strain as he balances ambitious projects with the urgent need to stabilize Tesla's core business. Against that backdrop, the case for launching an affordable mass-market car has never been stronger, and that's exactly what the Model 2 represents. Tesla's lifeline at the perfect moment. The logic behind it is refreshingly simple. Millions of people can actually afford this car. For Tesla, which has always been viewed as an aspirational brand, this is a massive shift in strategy. The Model 2 will make Tesla ownership a reality for countless customers who previously had no realistic path to buying one. And the reveal itself isn't happening at just any event. It's taking place at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting, a stage long associated with the company's most high-profile announcements. This makes perfect sense, as the Model 2 is arguably the most important product reveal since Tesla first entered the EV market. There's also a symbolic element to Tesla's timing. November has almost become the company's month of big surprises. At the end of November 2023, Tesla stunned the automotive world with the official debut of the Cybertruck. The following year, in 2024, the headlines were dominated once again, this time by the Cybercab and the Optimus humanoid robot. And now, in 2025, all eyes are turning toward Tesla's upcoming November event. Only this time, the focus isn't on something futuristic, extravagant, or highly experimental. The spotlight is on something far more practical: how Tesla plans to build a car that's affordable, without compromising its reputation for quality. And that brings us to design. From what Tesla's VP of Engineering, Lars Moravi, has confirmed, along with leaked images that have surfaced, the Model 2 isn't a revolutionary design departure for Tesla. It's not some radical new shape or concept car. In truth, it looks very familiar, closely resembling the Model Y in size and styling. But the similarities aren't accidental. Tesla deliberately chose this approach because it allows the company to keep costs low by using existing production lines and tools. This is a big deal. Rather than creating something entirely new, Tesla has stripped down the Model 2 to the essentials, prioritizing efficiency and affordability over luxury and flair. Interestingly, there had been widespread speculation that the Model 2 might be Tesla's first hatchback. That would have been a significant shift, especially since Tesla's current lineup revolves exclusively around sedans and SUVs. A hatchback design would have positioned the Model 2 closer to compact cars like the Nissan Leaf or Honda Civic, potentially appealing to customers seeking smaller, more practical urban vehicles. But as logical as that might sound, it carried major risks. Hatchbacks have never been strong sellers in the U.S., where crossovers dominate. Worse still, a hatchback would have required an entirely new production line, demanding enormous time and financial investment. Instead, by sticking with crossover-style bodies similar to the Model Y, Tesla avoided those costs entirely. And the result of all this efficiency is nothing short of shocking. A starting price of $15,990 for the base rear-wheel drive version. This number reportedly appeared on a leaked Tesla website, and while it does include federal tax credits, it still stands out as unprecedented. Remember, Tesla's original promise for an affordable mass-market car was pegged around $25,000. That target seemed ambitious at the time. But in today's world, where BYD is selling EVs for under $10,000, a $25,000 Tesla would no longer feel like a breakthrough. A $15,990 Tesla, however, that's a game changer. That's the kind of number that gets customers, investors, and the tech world buzzing all at once. So how does Tesla get the cost that low? The answer lies in careful, deliberate cost-cutting across nearly every non-essential area of the vehicle. For example, instead of synthetic leather seats like those in the Model 3 or Model Y, the Model 2 uses traditional fabric. Ventilated seating has been removed altogether. The trunk operates manually with no power lift system. Rear passenger screens are gone. The audio system has been downgraded from 14 speakers to 9, and ambient interior lighting has been simplified to plain white instead of customizable colors. None of these changes on their own save a fortune. But when you add them all together, these cuts make the $15,990 price possible. And there's another critical reason why Tesla needed to squeeze every penny out of production: the looming expiration of the U.S. federal tax credit. For years, Tesla customers benefited from a $7,500 federal rebate, effectively lowering the cost of each car by that amount. But that credit is set to expire this September, and the Model 2 will not qualify. That means Tesla can no longer rely on government incentives to make its vehicles look more affordable. The Model 2 has been designed specifically to absorb that loss, ensuring that even without tax credits, it still looks attractive to customers.